I'm Tiffany Tanner, a physician assistant at Garrison Family Medical Group and AV Urgent Care. In light of the novel coronavirus and the health implications for our community, we at Garrison Family Medical Group want to reach out to you and let you know that we are here for you. First, I want to reassure you that we are a strong community, and together we will get through this. Secondly, I'd like to go over a few of the recommendations from the CDC. They're recommending that each family have 2 weeks of food and prescription medication on hand in the event of a home quarantine. Wash your hands frequently. This means scrubbing with soap and warm water for at least 30 seconds, multiple times daily. Avoid touching your face. I know this has been said a whole bunch of times recently, and it's a really hard habit to break, but now more than ever, this is very important. Sanitize your doorknobs and light switches often. Practice social distancing. This means keeping 6 feet between yourself and others when in public places. And perhaps the most important thing the CDC is recommending is that when you're sick, you stay home. I also want to take a moment to let you know how we here at Garrison Family Medical Group are here to help you. Our regular business hours are still in effect. If you have a follow-up appointment and are not currently sick, there are no changes at this time. We have implemented some changes with urgent care to help safeguard our patients and our community from the spread of respiratory infections. To that end, if you have a cough, shortness of breath, runny nose, with or without fever, or if you've traveled outside of the Antelope Valley in the last month, we ask that you call the office prior to coming in. One of the medical providers would be happy to speak with you and advise you on how to proceed. We are currently in the process of instituting a telemedicine program, and as soon as that becomes available, there will be updates emailed or texted to our patients as well as posted on this website. We're also in the process of setting up prescription delivery program in the event that any of our patients need to be placed in home isolation or quarantine. If you have been advised to stay home and do not have any symptoms, my best advice to you is to enjoy your 2 weeks with your family. How often do you get 2 weeks off? Please, if you have been advised to stay home though, don't leave your house. If you need help with groceries or medications, call your family, call your friends, neighbors. My recommendation though is that you would have them leave deliveries on the front porch as to minimize contact. If you are home and do have symptoms, I recommend checking your temperature daily, taking acetaminophen or ibuprofen as needed for pain or fever, and drinking plenty of fluids. If your symptoms become severe, meaning fever over 102 degrees that's not responding to medication, worsening cough, severe shortness of breath, chest pain, or any other severe symptoms, please call 911. It is important to remember, however, when speaking with a 911 operator, that you inform them that you have been on home isolation or home quarantine precautions so that emergency personnel are aware before they arrive at your home. Currently, LA County is only recommending testing for coronavirus in specific people. If you think you may need to be tested or you're just not sure, please call the office and a medical provider will be happy to help you. It's important to remember that influenza is also very prevalent right now in the Antelope Valley, and the symptoms of influenza are very similar to those of coronavirus. They include sore throat, runny nose, cough, chills, headache, fever. The truth is that we should always use social distancing, excellent hand washing, sanitization protocols, and staying home when we're sick, no matter what we have. So even if you don't believe that you've been exposed to coronavirus or have been diagnosed with something else like influenza that's making you sick, it's very important to stay home until you are completely well so that you don't spread influenza or other viruses. And also because your immune system is a little bit under the weather when you're sick and you don't want to get something else. If at any time you're concerned about your health or the health of a loved one, please don't hesitate to call us. We are here for you and will continue to be. God bless you all, and God bless the AV.